Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Voice of Me. I hope you all are well. That's my first video on my channel. In this channel we talk about some history, present news and some information. So in this video we talk about history of Iran. Iran is one of the oldest nations in the world with a history dating back tens of thousands of years. The country's first great city, Susa, was built on the central plateau around 3200 BC. In 559 BC, the Persian Empire arose in southwestern Iran and conquered the Mesopotamians and Egyptians. The history of Iran, or Persia, as it was commonly known in the Western world, is intertwined and that of Great Iran, a socio-cultural region spanning the area between Anatolia in the west. Here Anatolia, also known as Asia Minor or a region in Turkey, in the west Indus River and Scythia in the east, and between the Caucasus and Eurasian steppe in the north and the Persian Gulf of Oman in the south. Central to this area in the modern-day country of Iran, which covers the bulk of Iranian plateau. Once a major empire, Iran has endured invasions too by the Macedonians. Here the Macedonians were an ancient tribe that lived on the alluvial plain around the rivers and lower Axios in the northeastern part of mainland Greece. By the Macedonians, Arabs, Turks and Mongols, Iran has continually reasserted its national identity throughout the centuries and has developed as a distinct political and cultural entity. Over the course of the first half of the 19th century, Iran has lost many of its territories in the Caucasus, which had been a part of Iran for centuries, comprising modern-day Eastern Georgia, Dagestan, Republic and Azerbaijan and Armenia, to its rapidly expanding and emerging rival neighbor, the Russian Empire, following the Russo-Persian Wars between 1804 to 1813 and 1826 to 1828. The Iranian Revolution, also known as the Islamic Revolution, was the revolution that transformed Iran from an absolute monarchy under Shah Muhammad Reza Pahlavi to an Islamic Republic under Ayatollah Ruhollah Khomeini, one of the leaders of the revolution and founder of the Islamic Republic. Its time span can be said to have begun in January 1978 with the first major demonstrations and concluded with the approval of the new theocratic constitution, whereby Ayatollah Khomeini became supreme leader of the country in December 1979. In between, Muhammad Reza Pahlavi left the country for exile in January 1979 after strikes and demonstrations paralyzed the country, and on February 1, 1979, Ayatollah Khomeini returned to Tehran. The final collapse of the Pahlavi dynasty occurred shortly after on February 11, when Iran's military declared itself neutral after guerrillas and rebel troops overwhelmed troops loyal to the Shah in armed street fighting. Iran officially became an Islamic Republic on April 1, 1979, when Iranians overwhelmingly approved a national referendum to make it so. Iran's rapidly modernizing capitalist economy was replaced by populist and Islamic economy and cultural policies. Much industry was nationalized and Western influences banned. The Islamic Revolution also created great impact around the world. In the non-Muslim world, it has changed the image of Islam, generating much interest in politics and spirituality of Islam, along with fear and distrust toward Islam, and particularly the Islamic Republic and its founder. Iran has a long history of scholarships that has created a rich culture of art, literature, poetry, music, and architecture. Ancient Iranian thinkers wrote influential texts on philosophy and medicine, and it was an Iranian mathematician who invented algebra. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Thank you very much.